minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail and I am back with another weekend vlog. Well, I don't know what today is. Today is Saturday. I didn't start the vlog on Friday like I usually do because I literally didn't do anything. I just after work I ran some errands and then got the kids something to eat, came home, and I fell asleep. Had to be like around 7:38. So then woke up at midnight and realized I didn't take down my hair because I had a braid appointment this morning. And so I got up, took down my hair, washed it, and I let it kind of lay down for a couple hours. And I went and got my hair braided. I got used to this, y'all. But anyways, now it's late in the evening. It's like 7:30 p.m. So today's almost over. I'm finna ready to just wash my face because I don't know why lately my face been breaking out all around here. It started on my chin and then I got 3 bumps here, and I gotta clear my face back up because I don't know what I'm going through. Is it stress, hormones, what? But yeah, that ain't the business. I'm finna wash my face. I ordered for delivery because I had to go to I ain't going to the store, but I ordered this Oxy Advanced Prebiotics Acne Cleanser. So I'm gonna try this and see if it helps clear up my face or prevent me from getting any more breakouts. So I'm gonna wash my face with that. And I did book to go in today with the agency tonight. I didn't want to, but I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to do. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to launch my website. I got surgery next month. What else? I want to go on some vacations. So I'm just like, okay, I have to get into hustle mode. That's all I know. Get into hustle mode. Hustle now, play later. So I'm gonna go into work. I want to take the kids. Tomorrow's Easter, so I want to take the kids to an Easter egg hunt. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to start the vlog. And I know it's late, but better late than never. And also, y'all, I'm not gonna weigh in this weekend. I'm gonna wait till next weekend, but I can say I have been doing good with my intermittent fasting. Today I broke my fast, so I was getting my hair braided like around 2. I bet you it was like 2 o'clock, and it was with a Celsius drink, energy drink. And that's after I found out I was booked with the agency. I was sipping on my Celsius drink. And the only other thing I ate, I just put me some wings in the air fryer and made me some wings, and I just ate that. But it's almost 8 o'clock, so that's it for today. So yeah, I have been doing good with this intermittent fasting. So, and I have been going to the park, and guess what, y'all? I can hula hoop now. I couldn't hula hoop on the last vlog when I first got it, but now I can hula hoop. So I might show y'all that tomorrow. I don't know, because the sister gonna be tired, but I can hula hoop now. So that I've been doing that, jump roping and running at the park. So still haven't canceled my gym membership, but I am. But that's all, y'all. Let me get my face washed so I can relax before I go into this shift. And I will see y'all in a little bit. Good morning, y'all. I'm back. So you see I'm rushing, but I'm back. I did end up going to work last night. I'm up now, dressed. Me and the kids finna go to this Easter event. Happy Easter, happy Easter. We finna go to this Easter event. And we already gonna be a little late, but I don't wanna be too late. So, where's my charger? Hey, what I was gonna tell y'all? Shoot, I don't know. Y'all, my room a mess. I'm rushing. If I stay here and clean it, I'm about to clean it when I get back. We gonna be even extra late. What kind of purse I want to wear? Should I wear a purse? Oh yeah. So I get this one. But yeah, y'all, we is headed to a Easter event, so my kids can have a little bit of fun. And yeah, I gotta get used to these braids. I'm not used to them. I had braids before last year. Didn't even keep them up long enough for what I paid for them. Oh my goodness. Y'all already know. When we get back, this house has to be cleaned.
Yeah.
But I need my charger. And where's my charger? So y'all, let me go. I just have to grab my charger. The kids is already outside. And I will pick y'all back up when we make it there. What, dude?
Come here.
He done left his window. Why is the window down?
How do you do that?
Why is the window all the way down? I heard you finna unlock it.
Did that.
Damn, shoes, I don't want my car dirty. Here, unlock the front and open the back and then lock them up back. But y'all, we just made it to the event. And Nina need one of those harnesses for her back. I know.
I see some it's like Texas. And
That's why I'm like, I wish I would have wear a t-shirt, because this right here is uncomfortable.
I'll give me one.
We should got us some matching tie-dye shirts made.
They have some at Buckley.
Okay.
And then they have some.
Okay, yeah, so we is headed up here to the event. We got Nina, and then we see another dog over there. Nina, don't start. She really need to be by her drug by her back. That's why walk by her back.
How do I do that?
She need one of them back things, her harness. But y'all, we finna walk in here. I'm get out my phone so I can show them my ticket, and we're gonna see what they have. Yeah, it's on my email, mama. Let's see what they have. Thank you. Me or them? It don't matter. Somebody spin the wheel.
I will.
Oh Lord. Uh-oh. You want to spin one time, Z? Just one more person.
Luke, you want to spin it?
She got an egg. Oh, okay, thank you. Or you can put it in your basket. You got a toothbrush. Oh. Look how she got cakes. Red velvet, German chocolate. I don't see the Italian cream cheese. We might get one in a minute, so we take home. They got oils. Where? What is this, y'all? Hold on, I'm just trying to look at everybody's thing. Sister girl. Oh, that's cute. Hi. They got coloring books too. Black girl coloring books. That's pretty, huh? I might get y'all that. Get y'all coloring book. Let's look and then we go get in line. Look, they sell waist beads. Hi.
I have now these are my kids' bracelets. These are $1. I have my elastic waist beads. These are 2 for
ones are $1?
All of these.
All the kids?
Yeah, all the little kids are bracelet and the little rings are 50 cents.
Okay. Y'all want a bracelet? Look, these right here on the thing. On the stand. They look pretty.
Plastic one.
Them kind.
Okay, so these you can take that off. Once we tie these on, want that one, that one. Take it off.
Do you do cash out? Yeah.
Yes, we do cash out.
You don't need no ring, mama. I don't think you're gonna keep up with it. Just a bracelet. You can see something you like, Duke, or no? Not this.
Crown on it.
Okay. Oh, look at them Gucci socks. At the end. Hello. Oh, I like it. No, I'm just ugly. Oh yeah, the hanging earrings.
How much are these?
Look at the necklaces though.
25.
Those are pretty. She got the Fendi ones too. Huh? Oh, you make it. Wow. They look good. Okay, come on. What, baby? Move, VIP coming through. Hey.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Hi y'all, I'm on my mom's vlog. So they're waiting for the Easter egg thing. Say hey. And there's a lot of people out here. And my mom, she's doing something important right now, so I'm just gonna take over the vlog. So they're waiting. We don't know when or like when they're gonna start it because it's been a lot of complaints and stuff. So they might not even start this one. So we just been waiting here until they get ready to start it. So yeah. So y'all, they end up they end up canceling the Easter egg. Come on y'all. They end up canceling the Easter egg hunt because of what happened the other time. People got hurt and stuff. So we're finna get ready to just go. We're finna go and then we're finna go, we might do it in the backyard, like buy some Easter eggs, because I don't think they're doing it anymore because of what happened. So yeah, y'all, we're finna just go home. So I see you, my mom gonna see y'all, cause after this I'm not gonna record. It's Nina here.
Yesterday, I think I stopped the video where I was dancing and I was actually cleaning up my room, so and cleaning up the house. So guess I just popped back on her. I'm on my lunch break. I just went to Starbucks and got me one of those feta egg wraps and what's this thing? Oh, that Legally Blonde drink that I drink. I went and got that. So I'm gonna run home, let the puppy out, and then go back to work. So I just want to go come on here. Y'all see my hair? I gotta get used to these braids. They need them. I just want to come on here and probably end the vlog. And I want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all y'all support. And I'll be back next